Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. This time I'm doing a little vehicle upgrade and a product review. What I've done, I have bought an aftermarket intercooler. As I have been told, the factory intercooler is not the greatest. It's a crimped unit which can leak. So I bought this aftermarket one, fully molded, and it's supposed to give you a slight increase in performance too. So it's just arrived with the courier. We'll have a look at it. And then it's a matter of getting it installed, which I'll show you, and do it for a little test run. And thanks for watching again. Okay, here we go. That's the box. Let's open it up. See what's in here. Come by our friendly Aramax dealer, courier. Nicely packed. Looks like a nice product. I'll unpack it so you can see. There it is. It does look like a nice product, doesn't it? There's the manufacturer, forefront. Yes, looks pretty simple. 2 hoses, 4 bolts. Okay, next step, get out the car, remove the old one and put this in place. Okay, here we are. Let's get started. First thing, we have to get this cover off. Hopefully that will come off. Okay, now we need to undo the hoses. Might need a screwdriver. It has been here for some time. Okay, that's got one off. The best way to attack this. Got to come off there. Interesting. It's loose. Wouldn't help. That one's hard to get to. Seems like he's still fairly tight. No, he's not. Once again, we're stuck in here. Okay, now we've got to take this plug off. Here you go. Put them somewhere that I don't lose them. Next, we have to unbolt it. And now, hopefully, it should just lift out. What There we go. Just notice we need to swap these to the new one. Then we'll carry on. Okay, I've done that while you were having your coffee. Now we're going to bolt it back in. Get this hose lined up. Get this hose lined up. That started there. Those bolts. Just plug back before I forget. Bolts. Now, all I'm going to do is get the hoses on properly and nipped up. Go around the other side. Bring this clip back. Tighten these up. Where's my spanner? Now the other side. We're nearly done, except for the cover. Gonna go on anymore. I think that's it. That's it, my friend. Okay, time to put the cover back on. Final step. Which should be easy, the guy said. Should be right now, it's sitting down. there it is. Nicer looking, if anything else. And probably, if I wasn't shooting the video, probably an hour and a half job. Alright, I'll pack up and I'll take it for a run, and in the final segment I'll tell you what I think. Okay guys, I'm back. Been for a little 10-20k drive. Is it better? That's purely subjective, isn't it? You buy something and you convince yourself that it's better. I don't know. I wouldn't say that. It starts, it runs, same as normal. The only thing I've found, trying to start off in second gear on the level, it was very easy to stall. But now it seems quite easy, so maybe there's a little bit more low-down torque. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I've found. I hope you found this enjoyable to see what you can do with the Patrol to maybe improve it. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button, buy me a coffee if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll also put a link in the description for the manufacturer seller where I bought it. Okay, bye now.